Today we're going to create a tornado in a beaker.
For this activity, we're going to create a tornado in a beaker. What do we need? We need a vortex generator and spinner. We need a large beaker, and we need water. We're going to place the spinner in B1 or the large beaker and fill the beaker halfway with water. We're going to set the beaker on the base. We're going to start the machine and slowly turn up the speed. We're going to watch as a whirling funnel forms. We're going to adjust the speed and we're going to answer the following questions. How does speed affect the depth of the funnel and the height of the water? Holding the beaker onto the base, we're going to gently tip the base a little bit to one side. Is the vortex still there? Let's get started with our experiment for today. First, we're going to get our spinner and we're going to place it inside our beaker. Next, we're going to fill our beaker with water. So our beaker goes to 400 milliliters and we're going to fill up to 200. Now it's time to put our beaker onto our base and let's see what happens. Whoa, look at that tornado in a beaker. This is so cool. Look at that. We're going to turn it up slowly. Can you hear it getting louder? And can you see the tornado getting bigger and higher? Let's turn it all the way up. Wow. Look how fast it's spinning. Look how big our tornado became. All right, so we created a vortex. What is a vortex anyway? It is a spinning mass of fluid. For scientists, fluid can also mean a gas, like air. We're going to turn it down little by little. See how it's getting smaller? And it stopped.
Pretty cool, huh? Now let's answer our second question.
Now we're going to turn it back on. We're going to hold the beaker onto the base. We're going to gently tip the base a little bit to one side. And we're going to find out if the vortex is still there. Let's do it. There's the vortex. We're going to hold it down and tip it over to one side. Slowly. Oh, it's still going. It's definitely slowing down though. And there it is.
And that's it for our activity today. I hope you enjoyed it and we'll have more next time.